Decision trees are a form of quantitative risk management which can be used in conjunction with the expected monetary value to decide on the best risk option. The expected cost of each outcome is calculated, resulting in a set of financial alternatives from which the best option can be chosen. This is an alternative way of depicting and evaluating risk. Here is a typical example where a new customer relationship management tool is required and the decision is between build or buy. The impact of failure will be the same for both options at 3.5 million. The risk of failure is higher for the build option, but the lower initial cost makes this the better cost option overall. Another technique that can be used in risk assessment is Pareto analysis. Pareto stipulated the 80-20 rule. 20% of the cause produces 80% of the effects. The Pareto principle holds true in an amazing number of situations. It is good for use in Scrum risk analysis as a technique to determine the highest risks, which are then prioritized and tackled first by the team. The values used for the Pareto analysis derive from the severity values, calculated as a factor of probability multiplied by impact. While Pareto analysis is a useful technique and the findings can be graphed in a risk burn-down chart, it must be remembered that all the data is historical and based on past events. Risks that have been identified as possibly occurring in the future are not catered for. Another risk assessment technique is failure mode effects analysis. It was originally used by the US military and later adopted by automotive and aeronautical engineering. It can be used in testing a process, product or service, but differs from industry to industry. There are other techniques that are extensively used in engineering, such as the physics of failure. However, the use of such techniques requires training for the team, and the traditional approach of assessing and mitigating risks works well for all skill levels, no matter what maturity level your company's risk management processes have reached.